Let's look at the spreadsheet first. I said phone number and I got these different values. Like this one, it literally has an equals sign in between, which is not a phone number, which is a major problem while actually trying to, I don't know, use this data, so to speak. So there are ways you can kind of control what people are allowed to type in here. So let's look at that first, and that is allowed for each and every question. But before that, first of all, there are a few things that we didn't type in. There were literally no entries at all. Here, names were not uploaded, your phone numbers, etc. were not uploaded, just a random file. So to prevent that and to make sure that people always answer a particular question, we use required, which basically means someone cannot submit the form without having answered that particular question. The way that looks on the form itself is with that asterisk, which is required. So if I haven't filled that, if I say submit, it'll say this is a required question.